What is up, guys? My name is Sygnosa, aka the Nosa, back at you guys with another video. And today we have a special video. Well, it's always a special video, but that's right, guys. We have an unboxing video. Back at it again with, this time, the AirPods Max. I don't know which way is straight, but whatever. The AirPod Maxes. Me and my girlfriend finally were able to get a pair. This is like the most difficult things to get. Because they've been sold out everywhere and stuff like that. I've heard different pros and cons and stuff like that, but I just wanted to do a review on them myself, personally. And, well, not a review. Right now I'm going to do an unboxing, but I am going to do another video, separate video, reviewing these and letting you guys know how they work, how I feel about them, what my experience has been. It's probably going to take me like, give it some time, like a week, multiple updates, and etc. But I am very, very excited that we finally got our hands on one of these AirPod Maxes. And I just wanted to unbox it and share this experience with you guys and excitement. And yes, I know some of you guys are going to be like, damn, Sygnosa, these headphones are mad expensive. Well, I was able to get them for a little bit cheaper, but nonetheless, they are expensive. They are expensive, but we're gonna see if they're worth the cost. But these are gonna be my daily drivers. I no longer am using my Sony 1000XM4s. Those are gone. These are gonna be the ones I'm sticking with going forward, and let's see how that actually works out, guys. All right, without further ado, let's get right into the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get it. So getting right into it, we're gonna unbox it. There's a seam that's right over here. It's like a freaking, usually they make it a lot easier, but, oh, here we go, found it. I was pulling it the wrong way. Go figure, Lewis, right? Look at that. Oh, there's nothing better than the feeling of pulling this plastic like so. Oh my gosh. Oh, I almost dropped it. Wow, the crispiness. Smells like butt cheeks. No, I'm joking. But here we go. We have it right here, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to be say guys, because ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna pull this off. Oh my gosh, the box, and boom, here it is. So a nice little gap here, I'm just gonna put this off to actually I'm gonna put this off to my right side so my left is not clogged up. So when you guys get them, it's gonna look like this. Right over here, guys. Boom, look at that, nice and sexy. Pull them out. They do have a little bit of a weight to them, so I see what people were talking about in terms of the weight. They do have some weight to them, as expected, because it's made out of premium material. Apple doesn't really use cheap materials, as I can tell. They do feel pretty good. Ear cups, everything. That's pretty much the box right here. I'm gonna put them down for a second. We're gonna get into them in a second. But you have your little manual booklet, that's included with every product, and down there you have a Type-C to Lightning charger. Boom, boom, bada bing, bada boom. That is basically everything. It doesn't come with anything more. It doesn't come with anything less. Now, I'm gonna put up on the screen. If you go to bestbuy.com, they do sell hard shell cases for you to store this. So a lot of people do say this looks like a purse, that you have to hold it like this. There's not much protection if you throw it into the bag. That is true. But if you guys do go ahead and take it to go to bestbuy.com, which I'll leave the link of the exact cases and stuff, and the covers for the headphones. You guys can get something nice. Me and my girlfriend are actually going to be getting one of these Sahara cases that are hard shell. You actually place the entire thing like this inside one of those zip up cases. It's basically very similar to, let me grab it for you guys right over here, to the Sony XM4 case right here, which it's a hard shell case for you to store your headphones. You can get one of those so that you guys don't just have your headphones sitting around and you're worried about if they're breaking or not. But anyway, we can go ahead, remove this wrapper. Packaging's pretty easy, straightforward, Apple-like packaging. I feel like I'm holding brawls. I'll be honest with you, I feel like I'm holding brawls. Oh yes. You guys see it? Let's get it. Alright. And here we have it. We have this breast weird looking case. Leather is very interesting smelling. Let's just say that. Very interesting smelling. Let's get them out of the case. Boom. Got these white little pieces. So as I was saying, you do take off these two cups right here. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. And exposed, you have your headphones right over here. Nice, gorgeous, beautiful. Almost said Sony. Jesus, my bad. Apple headphones. The green light indicator, meaning they're on. If they're like reddish indicator, that means it's dying. And if it's white, means it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. Still lightning connector, as I can see. So if you are already in the Apple family, Apple ecosystem, your phone, literally, or if you have one of the older iPads, you can literally use your same phone charger to charge your headphones and stuff like that. I don't know why they're still using lightning. I was expecting them to use Type-C. When they first came out and people were saying that they were using lightning, I was like, what the heck, Apple? They should move on to Type-C. I'm hoping to see the phones to Type-C. What's gonna happen in the next phones, this following upcoming September. And on top of that, there's gonna be an Apple event next Tuesday. So we're gonna see what they're gonna announce now for April 20th and June WWDC. So let's see how that goes. But these are the headphones. You guys have some metal, very, very high quality metal bearings here. I'd say like they pretty much stay wherever you place them. These are twistable ear cups for maximum comfort, and they also swivel up and down like this. Not up and down, like side to side, I guess I'll say. So the maximum comfort. So it's literally will shape to the size of your head. On top of that, you do have multiple microphones around the headphones, basically for the noise cancellation, to pick up audio from outside, to make sure that everything sounds crisp and nice for you guys. You also have that nice mesh headband that they decided to go with on instead of that like plastic headband that people usually go with. So it's supposed to sit on your hair and rest nicely and comfortably. Obviously, I can see this being a meme a lot. If you have like wet hair or something and you put this on your hair and it leaves like the mark and then you have like a dented spot on your head, it'd be hilarious. Used to happen to me all the time with the headphones when I was gaming. And one of my favorite things in terms of customization, not only now can you place like covers over this, like if I had a blue cover, I could go ahead and throw a blue cover over here on them, and I could even remove these. These are 100% removable, the cups, which makes them super customizable. On their website, Apple does have not gonna say huge, different selections. So like their main lineup, they have the silver, the blue, the red, the green, and then the black. You can actually get different cups. They're about, I think, what, $70, $80. I'm gonna post it up on the screen, and if you go there, you can go ahead and purchase it, add it to the cart, and you can kind of customize it a little. So if you wanted something that's like black and red, you can get the red ear cups through it there, or like black and blue, black and green. And this headpiece, this headband right here, in case this leather or anything gets messed up, it is also changeable. You can actually pop these two babies out individually, which is kind of why they still have the name AirPods and Max, because they're over the ear and everything. They do have the sensor, so when you take them off of your head, you can the music will stop. And I heard the battery life is great on them and everything. And then this case right here is not really, they don't really turn off because they don't have a power button. This case here puts them in a low state, so like low power mode, I guess if you want to say low power mode, yeah, low battery mode. And then you get to put them to charge to lightning. That's pretty much it. I mean, that wraps everything up for this unboxing. I am going to be doing a review on these. Like I told you guys, I'm going to be doing a big review on these. I'm going to be testing them for the next few weeks, month. I mean, I'll probably do a video before the month. I'm not going to drag it either. But I'm going to let you guys know what my exact thoughts are on these. What do I think? Do I think they're worth the $550 price tag? I mean, I've already heard a lot about yes and no's and stuff like that. But you could never be sure about a product until you try it yourself. And I mean, I'm gonna let you guys know everything from sound quality to battery life, how I feel about them. But these are gonna be my drivers. I don't have my Sonys anymore. I don't have any of my other headphones, so I have no choice. But I'm gonna be using these and rocking these for a while. Hopefully, I don't regret it. But yeah, without further ado, if you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions you guys have related to anything else, whether it be about this video or anything else, you guys can also drop that up in the comments and I'm going to respond there. We also have a Discord channel. If you guys have questions, you guys want to meet other friends and players, please go in there and interact with each other. Let's build this community. I also answer on Discord every once in a while. I'm not always there. Primarily, you can get a faster response here on like YouTube Studio if you guys hit me up on Twitter. But yeah, I'm going to be leaving a review. I'm gonna let you guys, I'm gonna keep you guys posted on the videos. Follow me on Twitter or hit me up here on basically on YouTube, directly message, or any of my social medias. They're all tagged below, and I'll make sure to reach out and respond to each and every single one of your questions. But without further ado, thank you guys for coming by, stopping by. I love each and every one of you, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. This has been Sygnosa. Peace out.